Hello everyone, today we are going to see a very important topic, that is PEMDAS versus BODMAS. So we are going to see that what is the difference between them. Many students think PEMDAS is not equal to BODMAS, but the truth is PEMDAS and BODMAS are the same. They are just different names used in different countries. Let's talk about the PEMDAS. So PEMDAS mean P represents parentheses, E represents exponent, M represents multiplication, D represents division, A represents addition, and S represents subtraction. This rule is mainly used in United States. Similarly, what does BODMAS mean? So BODMAS mean B represents brackets, O represents order, D represents division, M represents multiplication, A represents addition, and S represents subtraction. This rule mainly used in UK, India, and Australia. Now let's talk about one more thing, and that is many students incorrectly think multiplication always comes before division or addition always comes before subtraction, but that is false. The correct rule is multiplication and the division have equal priority and we solve from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction also have equal priority and again solve from left to right. Now let's talk about a few examples. For example, we have a question. The question is 12 divided by 3 multiplied by 2. Now some students do multiplication first. When they do multiplication, they will get 12 divided by 6 and their answer will be 2. But that is incorrect. The correct way is to go from left to right. When we do that, so first we need to do the division. When we do the division, so we will get 12 divided by 3, that will be equal to 4, and when we multiply 4 with 2, so we are going to get 8. So 8 is our final answer in this case. Now let's do another example. We have another example, and the example is 10 minus 2 plus 5. So first we need to do the subtraction. When we do the subtraction, we will get 8, and when we add 8 and 5, we are going to get 13. So our final answer will be 13. Now there are common mistakes that people made. We are going to do one more example. We have the example 8 divided by 2 into 2 plus 2. So the first thing that we need to do in this example, we need to solve the brackets. So when we do that, so 2 plus 2 will be equal to 4. So we are going to get 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. Now next we need to do the division. So when we do the division, so 8 divided by 2 will be equal to 4. So we are going to get 4 multiplied by 4, and we know that 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So our final answer will be 16 in this case. So in the end we can say that we can quickly remember this thing. PEMDAS can be remembered like that, please excuse my dear aunt Sally, and BODMAS can be remembered like that, brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now in simple word we are going to say that both rules are equal, and the important rule is solve equal priority operations from left to right. If you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question related to this, please write that question in the comment. Thank you.